Well, it's official. The refrigerator is beyond my capabilities, and so for a while I haven't really had one, and it'll be a little bit before I do anything. Probably just going to get a little apartment size thing to put in the RV. Much cheaper than replacing the Dometic. It was worth a try, and I did give it all the try I could figure out how to do, and I appreciate some thoughtful folks who have been encouraging me and offering suggestions along the way too. So anyway, here's a little bit of that story, and please enjoy. The Dometic saga is coming to an end. It's time to empty it out. It's 72 degrees. The eggs have been gone a long time. The cottage cheese, much worse. And I'm not even going to worry about that stuff. Everything's going in the trash. And I'm going to have a new plan when I get back from vacation. We tried. I'm blessed and grateful. I don't have a fridge right now, but we tried. Very few things hurt worse than throwing out A1 sauce. And I believe I have some extra sour cream here. Well, we'll try again next week. I'm going to turn it off. Turning it off inside, but I'm also going to go ahead and completely unplug the fridge out here, and we're just gonna say thanks, Dometic, for all the work you did while you were doing it, and we'll try something different and see what we can do.